Welcome to our channel. If you want to integrate your LG TV with Apple HomeKit for voice control and automation, follow these step-by-step instructions to enable this smart home feature. Step 1. Verify that your LG TV is compatible with HomeKit. LG TVs from 2019 onwards with WebOS 4.5 or later typically support HomeKit and AirPlay 2. Step 2. Ensure your LG TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your iPhone, iPad, or HomePod. This is essential for HomeKit integration. Step 3. Update your LG TV to the latest firmware version. Go to Settings, then All Settings, select General, and choose About this TV to check for software updates. Step 4. On your LG TV, navigate to Settings, then go to Connection and select Apple AirPlay and HomeKit settings. Step 5. Turn on AirPlay if it's not already enabled. This will also prepare your TV for HomeKit integration. Step 6. Select HomeKit settings and you'll see an option to set up HomeKit. Your TV will display a unique HomeKit setup code or QR code on the screen. Step 7. On your iPhone or iPad, open the Home app. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner and select Add Accessory. Step 8. Point your device's camera at the HomeKit code displayed on your TV screen, or manually enter the 8-digit code shown on your TV. Step 9. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the setup. Choose which room to assign your TV to and customize its name if desired. Step 10. Once added, you can control your LG TV using Siri commands like, "Hey Siri, turn on the TV," "Hey Siri, pause the TV," or include your TV in HomeKit scenes and automations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.